Your CrossWave Cordless MAX comes with a 3-in-1 docking station that stores, charges, and cleans your machine. We'll walk you through all the features in this video. Your machine will start charging once it's put on the dock if the docking station is plugged in. However, charging will pause when running the self-cleaning cycle. Once the self-cleaning cycle is complete, charging will resume. For a full walkthrough of running the self-cleaning cycle, see our maintenance video. After running the self-cleaning cycle, you need to empty the dirty water tank and dry your machine's pieces. Remove the brush roll window by pulling up on the foot window tab. Remove the brush roll by pulling up on the white tab on the left side of the foot. Put the brush roll in the drying bracket to dry. Place the filter from the top of your dirty water tank in the drying bracket as well. Remove the machine from the dock and wipe out the tray. Do not rinse the tray directly under the faucet. The CrossWave Cordless MAX can store on the docking station. 4 hours is required for a full charge. You'll know it's charging when the battery icon on the digital display is flashing. When the machine is fully charged, the icon will stop flashing. You can keep the machine on the docking station until your next use. Now that you're familiar with all the features of your 3-in-1 docking station, you can start making the most of your CrossWave Cordless MAX.